So news-wise, Monday we got nothing, which is great. Be careful, we're switching times right now. Tonight. So right now it's like 12. Normally it's like 1. So Monday no news. Tuesday I'm not sure if I'll trade to be honest, because we got jolts, which is fairly violent. Wednesday I'm not trading for sure. Yeah, Wednesday, fuck that. PPI, I trade PPI. We got unemployment claims as well. Should be a easy play to data low or data high. And Friday, I don't think I'm gonna trade, but I have to take at least one trade this week, or my account get deactivated. Such a dumb rule. Such a dumb rule. Shit pisses me off. Okay, so that's that for news. Heavy. It's a heavy. It's a heavy week news-wise, to be honest. Okay, so weekly outlook. Just on the 1 minute, I'm gonna expect this to be taken and this as well. Full port CPI. Might have to. You full port god. So for the daily, um, I had this that I had been eyeing for like the past weeks that got taken. So I'm fairly confident we could bounce here. I'm really, really confident we could bounce because what are the odds that we go here, right? I mean, I don't think the odds are good at all. So we took all of this triple equal high lows on daily. We took this trend line liquidity on the 4 and the daily. So that's, I mean, to be honest, I'm fairly confident we're gonna keep going up here. Um, but we also have like these fucking yo-yo with the tariffs that he's doing, which is kind of concerning. Because on April 2nd, we know we're gonna shit, right? So I'm expecting maybe um, a pushback up until April 2nd, and then we dump, right? But on the higher side, yes, I mean, of course, we're due to go up, right? But there's nothing good. There's no good liquidity on the daily. Let's see on the 4. Okay, on the 4 we got this. We got this. Okay, okay. Nah, we got some good shit. This is good on the 4. These relative equal highs are good. These are good as well. All of these 4, they're good, right? And just by that rejection, it's crazy. Wait, Ryan, I think that's 804. That's when I longed, got cooked, and then we just pumped. Imagine I had held that. So yeah, we just took this. I know some people like to fill gaps, but I mean, we already dropped 3K points. So to me, that's fairly that's unlikely to me, honestly. I mean, I haven't had a good bias in 3 weeks, so be mindful of that because the fucking chart's just been shitting for 3 weeks, and technical analysis wise, this is super good, and this is super good as well, right? We also got this nice wick right here. What? That's 10, so that's probably a news wick, could be. March 6th. Let's see. March 6th. So that could be unemployment claims week from March 6th. Wait, let me see real quick. Okay, it is not, but that's still a good wick right here to me. That's still a good wick. So we got some good liquidity on the 1 hour. Like, come on, bro. This is just when this gets ran through, it's gonna be a violent push up. Trust me. Like this is just an insane trendline liquidity. Insane. Um, well, yeah, looking at it again, we were talking about these on the 4 hours, but they look even better on the 1. Equal highs, equal highs. Small trend line right here, fairly equal highs. I mean, they're the same, but they just look better on the 1. Almost equal as well here. Let's just call them equal. So that's just, I mean, this is gonna be insane when this get ran through. We're gonna just push through it, in my opinion. So that's that for the 1 hour and the daily and the 4. On the 1 minute, I'm fully expecting us to fucking either shit here or pump here. Because I mean, we're retail traders, right? But what does the normal people will do? We're normal. I'm not saying we're special, but they'll put their stop losses right here and right here, right? And Ryan is a little baby. He sent me a reel yesterday saying that stop loss hunt isn't real. Shut the fuck up, boy. I think this shit's real, honestly, because you know if we look at it, we take this, we dump. We take this, we not pump, but you know what I mean? We take this, we're going up, back up. We take this, we go back up. We take all of this, we go down. We take all of this, we go back down, right? I mean, this is obvious stop losses. But yo, if you don't put a stop loss, you can't be liquidity, right? So for the some where's my phone ringing? My phone ringing. Hold on. Where's my phone? Heard it. Oh, it's right there. Alright, we'll reply to that later. If it takes those highs, you're looking for a run on reversal. I mean, I'm not gonna look for it because it's gonna be Asia session, but you saw how I traded this week, how I adapted to the market. I could for sure look for a small pullback, like a 10 to 15 point pullback, but this is a good high. So as we saw yesterday on the at 804, 804 804 here, we just kept on shitting, right? Because that's an important high, and that's something I noticed. When we take an important high or low, we just keep going. We just keep going for a bit. That's what I noticed. As you can see right here, we took this, right, and we just kept going a little bit more to the downside. So the strategy I'm using is not as good for good highs like that, right? As you can see as well, we took this, but we still went up. That's what, 74. Let's call it 94. That's like 15 points. We still went up 15 points, and 15 points with my strategy is $300. So I'm not trying to go $300 in fucking, in drawdown. Even that, we took this 13 to 21. That's not bad. That's manageable drawdown. So if you're looking for a Discord with like-minded people where we post about forex, like psychology, trading chats, post content, trade recap, announcement, everything, right? And talking about these weekly outlook, they're free. I mean, everything is free right now, right? At one point it won't, but right now you join, it's free, everything's free, and you'll always have it for free if you join right now. Not telling you to join right now, but you know what I mean. Uh, you'll get to see me do live streams. You'll get to see me do these weekly outlooks where you can answer question, not answer, but you can ask questions. So if you're looking for that, uh, join in. So to me, these are better than these ones to look for a small reversal. But for a good reversal, I mean, come on, we got this. So that's what I'm expecting. This and this to be taken on either on Asia session. And if we look at this right here, I mean, okay, this is for sure getting hit at some point. I mean, come on. If this is the bottom, I doubt it. I mean, and I don't doubt it because we saw that we took you saw what we took, right? At 8. What the hell just happened? We saw what we took at 8, so I mean, I'm not gonna be looking for shorts, but it's definitely possible with everything going on, right? With Trump saying a lot of shit. But for the 4 hour, I think I'm good on being bullish, and the 4 hour, the daily, and the 1 hour, I'm good on being bullish. Just off of all of this right here, and that we took this trend line right here that I had been high in for so long. So that I'm good for being bullish, bullish, right? So everything tells us that this is bullish, 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 bullish. But honestly, it's with everything going on, we never know. But this is just bullish structure to me. Like, come on, we just wicked the fuck out of our trend line right here. So this just it's just bullish for me, right? But with everything going on, I'm not sure. So that's why I adapted my strategy. But if let's say we had Kamala Harris, and you know, market was still not pumping but still ranging, you know, I'd be comfortable trading IFVGs. But right now, I'm just not. I'm really not. I mean, come on. Look, we took some, that's a good ass setup right here. That's like a really, really good setup. We hold on. So this is a good setup, right? Let's go for this one, right? The better one. So we pierced it, right? But we just went back up. I mean, it makes no sense. We just took this liquidity. We didn't take this one. We have a hell of a good play right here on I mean, there's orders for sure here and here, right? We both know that. We all know that. All the three of us, we all know that, right? There's orders here, there's orders here. We took these orders right here. We created perfect IVG, and you know, if you entered there, you didn't even have the chance to go break even to these equal lows. I mean, these are equal, and there's a shit ton of liquidity right here. There's no way this is shitting, right? So if Camilla was still here, I'd be comfortable trading IVGs, but now I'm just not sure, honestly. I'm really not sure about IVGs in these market conditions, so that's why I adapted my strategy. So bullish on the week, right? Because it structure is really bullish, but if we know with everything going on, yeah, I'm not sure if we're gonna still be bullish, but market structure looks so bullish. We just took so many good liquidity and well, you know, right? So it's going to be bullish for technical analysis. I mean, all of this is taken, all of this is taken, all of this is taken, all of this is taken. To take good liquidity, would have to go fucking back here, right? And even here would be better, but that's fucking 5k points since the top. So if we go here, that's recession, you know? So I don't know. I'm really, I don't think he's gonna let the market go into a recession. I don't think he's dumb enough, and I think he has like too much money at risk to do that with is I'm talking about Trump, is real estate shit. So I don't think he's gonna let the market go in a recession. That's not even bad. I think that's 5%. So that's not that bad. I mean, it's shitty, but it's not that bad. Okay, no, that's bad. That's 12%. Okay, sorry. I take back what I said, but I mean, it's not as bad as July. I think July was like, yeah, 20%. So, you know, July was even worse. But, oh yeah, something I want you to look for. All July, right? I think that's when I first got my first, not funded, but my first eval. But we can clearly see it right here that we sweep liquidity at 10, 9 to 10 when market opens. We sweep liquidity and we dump, right? Sweep liquidity, sweep liquidity, and we dump. I didn't even look at the time, and I just knew it was fucking 10, 10, you know what I mean? Sweep liquidity at 10, we dump, right? We did not get it here, but we just kept on sweeping liquidity and dumping. You can see it right here as well, 10, sweep liquidity and dump, and that's the same thing that we got here on this market. So sweep liquidity at 10, we dump. Uh, We did not sweep anything here, but we dumped. Swept liquidity 6 to 10, you know, that's probably like at 9:30-ish. Swept liquidity, we dumped. Uh, 6 to 10, swept liquidity, dumped. Not here. I mean, yeah, not here. Here, swept liquidity, dumped. Not here. I mean, yes, we did, but we swept liquidity to the downside and we pumped, but uh, we get here. Here it didn't happen, but you get what I mean, right? So if we're gonna keep crashing, that's what I'm gonna be looking for. Sweep of liquidity, then a dump. Sweep of liquidity, then a dump. Because that's really easy to trade. Honestly, that's like the easiest price action to trade when this happens. Because it literally happened almost every day. I mean, out of like what 6 day, we saw it 4 times. So you just short fucking open. That's what I'm thinking right now. No, well, not right now, but that's what I was thinking during this price action. I think until here, that's when I started doing it. So that's what I did, right? can even see it right here. I mean, that was not on open, but we swept PM and we just shitted. So that's what I was looking for. So for the week, bullish on structure, but news and Trump is gonna tell us really what we're gonna see. But this is just bullish as hell.